Hey, good morning, everybody. Today we are at Mike Roess State Park. It's about 50 miles west of St. Augustine, and this is a very nice park. As you can see in back of us, there's tons of woods go on for miles and miles, and we haven't really explored it too much yet, but there are about 3 or 4 lakes around the property, and there's 3 loops for the campers. The site in front of us has a paved road, and we're gonna go do some exploring this afternoon. We're gonna go to Camp Blangington. It's a museum with a lot of history of World War II military vehicles, and it should be a lot of fun. We're taking our grandsons with us today, and we'll show you around over there, and see you in a couple minutes. Bye. Okay, everybody, we're here at Camp Blangington. It's a training facility for the National Guard, and we're gonna go look at some military equipment. So stay tuned, and we'll get some close-ups for you. All right, a little bit about this jet. This is a Corsa 2, and could carry up to 15,000 pounds of bombs, 6 on each side, I guess. Speed of almost 700 miles an hour and a range of 700 miles. And it was produced from 1965 to 1984. Vietnam era jets. Most of these, this equipment here was Vietnam era. All retired. Let's walk over here to this jet here and see what this one's all about. This is an Intruder A6A, 18,000 pounds of bombs, speed 648 miles, range over 3,000 miles. Wow. Last produced in 1997. Fast plane, fast jet. Let's take a look at these tanks over here. 62 miles an hour, range almost 500 miles, produced 62 to 89. T-55A holds 4 soldiers, 34 miles an hour. 58 to 83. This one, 40 miles an hour. Range 310 miles. Range almost 7,000 yards. Crew of 7. Last produced 1970. Huh? Okay. Okay, this is the Douglas aircraft, very popular in World War II. This was used to transport all the paratroopers. My dad was a paratrooper and jumped out of this plane many times, he told me. Okay, we're at Lake Johnson, Mike Roess State Park. Beautiful day. We had like 2 or 3 days of rain. This morning is fantastic. A little cool out, but very nice. Okay, we're on a little afternoon hike before the thunderstorms start again. And around the corner there should be a bubbling stream. Oh, we're almost there. Look at that sky up there. It looks pretty dark. Hope we don't get caught in the rain. Almost there. Watch out for the bears. Okay. Yeah. Forgot my walking stick. I hear it. Beautiful trail back here, nice and wide. They got the railings so they don't fall down in the... Ah, we made it. Let's see what's down here.
Go down the other path, not this one. This one won't get you get down. This path here. That one's the beginning. This one. Go down this
Since you've been here before, I'll let you lead the way.
You can go that way or this way.
Wow.
That way you can get in the water.
Well, I'm not going to get in the water.
Look at it pouring down today.
Wow, pretty cool. Look at that. Nice. Explain to them about where it starts. It starts about 2 miles away from here. And this is all rainwater basically, right? That's what they said. Surprised I don't see any fish around. I guess this dries up pretty good though when there's no rain. Okay, very nice. Okay, we are at the old mill site. This used to be a cotton gin and a grist mill constructed in the 1900s. There's not much left over here. There's a little trail, so we'll take a little walk. and see if there's anything left over here. We are in February. It's on kind of an overcast day. Mill site. Let's take a little walk. Very quiet around here. There's 16 miles of trails at this park. Take a little walk and see what it's all about. Okay, we are now at the Ravine, Mike Roess, and we are at the Ravine Overlook. And that's my family heading down to the bottom of it. There's about 81 steps to get down there. So we'll take a little walk, see how that goes. Looks pretty neat. Nice new boardwalk they got down there. The problem is walking down is fine. Walking up is a different story. But they said that there's a trail that we can take back up so we don't have to take all these stairs again. So we'll see you again at the bottom. Okay, we're going to show you a little of the campground here at Sand Hill in Mike Roess State Park. Might not be able to get all the sights, but we'll just do the best we can here. Sand Hill 1 through 18. Okay, we finished our hike and now we're back to the campsite, and I think I'll be watching the Daytona 500 this afternoon, or take a nap. The fun part of camping. Oh, it's kind of stopping a little bit. It is soaked out here. Dinner time at the campsite. I'm doing one of my cooking shows, like Robert does. Say something, Bon. Look.
No, I'm messing with the fire. Keep putting it out.
All right, say hello to Mr. Monster.
Oh, he might attack me.